Let's see another example. Using linear convolution, find y of n is equal to x of n linearly convolved with h of n, whose input signal is x of n 1 2 minus 1 2 3 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 1 1 2 minus 1, and impulse response is h of n equal to 1 2. Compare results by solving problem using overlap save method and overlap add method. So this is given example. For this, what we have to do, using these two sequences, we have to find output by overlap save method, we have to find output by overlap add method, and once we get output, we have to just compare the results. So before going for actual solution of example, first we will calculate linear convolution using shortcut method. So here we are calculating linear convolution. So x of n is written as a first row, then h of n we have written as a column, then taking multiplication of each element and then taking diagonal addition, we will get answer 143074 minus 7 minus 7 minus 1 343 minus 2. So this is output sequence y of n, as x of n length is a 12 and h of n length is a 2. So final output length will be 12 plus 2 minus 1, that is 13. So this should be final answer of your overlap save method or overlap add method. Let's see first solving example using overlap save method. So x of n is having length capital Ls equal to 12, h of n impulse response having length capital M equal to 2. Let's consider capital L equal to 3. So therefore n value will be capital N equal to L plus M minus 1, that is equal to 3 plus 2 minus 1, that is equal to 4. Means we have to divide our sequence x of n into length of subsequences. Each subsequence will be having length equal to 4. But first condition we have to keep it in mind. While writing first sequence x1 of n, first write first m minus 1 element as a 0. Value of m is 2. So 2 minus 1 1. So first element will be 0, and next writing 3 L elements from x of n. So 0 1 2 minus 1 will be my first sequence x1 of n. x2 of n, while writing x2 of n, what we have to keep it in mind, last element of x1 of n is copied to first element of x2 of n. So minus 1 is repeated. So minus 1 2 3 minus 2, again repeating minus 2 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 1, again repeating 1 1 1 2 minus 1, and last minus 1 is again repeated. As there are no elements in x of n, writing 3 extra zeros. So these will be my subdivided sequences x1 of n, x2 of n, x3 of n, x4 of n, and x5 of n, each of length 4. But impulse response length is equal to 2. As per our concept of circular convolution, length of both sequences should be equal. So making length of h of n equal to 4, we have to pad L minus 1 zeros. So padding L minus 1 which is equal to 2 zeros in h of n, we will get h of n equal to 1 2 0 0. Now next step, we have to take circular convolution of each input block with h of n. So for that we are using matrix multiplication method. So simply using matrix multiplication method, we will get these outputs. y1 of n equal to minus 2 1 4 3, y2 of n equal to minus 5 0 7 4, y3 of n equal to 0 minus 7 minus 7 minus 1, y4 of n equal to minus 1 3 4 3, and y5 of n equal to minus 1 minus 2 0 0. Now for calculating final output, what we have to do, arrange all output blocks one below another, then discarding first m minus 1 elements from each output block and writing remaining elements in sequence. What we will get? We will get final output of y of n using overlap save method, which is equal to 143074 minus 7 minus 7 minus 1 343 minus 2. Thus we have solved the example using overlap save method.